This store sells this product and operates using the dropshipping model, enabling it to generate substantial monthly profits without spending a single dollar on advertisements. The secret here is creating content on TikTok. The store owner has a TikTok account with the store link in the bio and creates daily content about this product. They sell the product for approximately $28, while the product costs around $5. This allows them to achieve a significant profit margin, and you can do the same. To start dropshipping, you need 3 things. The first thing is to build an online store, and we will use Shopify. I will leave you the registration link for Shopify in the video description, and through it, you can get a 3-day free trial to build your online store. Additionally, your first 3 months on Shopify will cost only $1 per month instead of paying the full plan price. You will start by entering your email and then creating an account. From here, you'll select the country where you want to sell, set a password, and begin setting up your online store. You can skip this step temporarily until we complete the store setup. The second step is finding a supplier to provide the products and link them to your store. This way, when you receive orders, the supplier will directly ship them to customers. The supplier we'll use is Zendrop. Zendrop has thousands of winning products and offers auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. You'll start by installing the application on your store. After installing the app, you'll find a wide range of products on Zendrop. From here, you can search for any product you want to work with. For example, if I want to work with this product, I'll open it. Here, I'll find all the available details about the product, including the cost and shipping fees below, and the total product cost. You may find the same product with different shipping costs, so make sure to choose the right product at a good price and quality. To add this product to the store, click on Add to My Products. Next, go to My Products, where you'll find the product, and click on Review and Publish. From here, you can edit all the details before publishing them on the store, such as the product name, description, variations, and selling price, which should include the shipping cost. You'll also see the net profit you'll make on each product sold. Here you can select the images that will be published on the store. Then click Publish to My Store, followed by Confirm. Within seconds, the product will be published on your store. If you go to Shopify now and click on Products, you'll find the product already listed, and you can edit any details about it. Next, you'll need to go to Settings and complete the rest of your store setup, such as linking payment gateways. You can also use PayPal as this person did, link your domain and complete the other steps. I'll leave a complete guide to setting up an online store on Shopify in the video description. The third step is marketing. You can start with TikTok ads or create content on TikTok. I'll leave the TikTok business registration link in the video description, where you can begin running ads or, like this person, create content about the product and add your store link to your bio. And that's it. This was today's guide. Like the video and subscribe to the channel because I share winning products daily.